Hi everybody, Sam again, water quality specialist. Just want to go through the RO made by, or reverse osmosis made by Water Analytics, just to give you an overview of this one as well. Now, I spoke about the whole home system. Some people get this one, some people don't. It's purely up to what you want removed if you want to go an extra level of filtration. To give you an idea, the outside system of the Water Analytics system is 1 micron. This goes down to 0.0001, which is 1,000 times more filtration. Now, that gives you the purest water, drinking water possible. I'm talking things like PFAS removed. You can do your own research on that. There's been a lot of the news lately around that, but also fluoride. And then everything else down to a 98-99% filtration rate. Things like estrogen, ibuprofen, any pharmaceuticals that are in the water, that's what these are designed to remove. It's quite simple. The Water Analytics system is another 3 stages under the sink. It goes in addition to the outside system. It's quite simple. The first one is the RO, reverse osmosis unit. It's a special membrane where water gets pushed through and removes those contaminants. Then it goes through this one here, which is stage 5, which is a polisher, and also enhances the taste and processes the water back to a reasonable level to make sure that the taste is adequate. It's perfect for eating and cooking. And then once it goes through those 2, you get what's called distilled water. You've probably heard that term. The water's been flattened, everything's been removed. It's the purest water you can get. You can use it in car batteries, your irons, baby bottles, CPAP machines, that sort of things. Then the final stage is this one here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a series of stones and alkaline balls. It's designed to put minerals back into the water. So first we remove, then we safely put in the minerals. Things like magnesium, calcium, potassium, all designed to give you mineral water or alkaline water, as some people call it. And you've got both options of the water coming out. The way it works is really quite simple. It comes with its own tap. And you'll see here, there's one side for reverse osmosis distilled water. The other side is for alkaline or mineral water. That's ideal. If you cannot fit one of these for some reason, whether it's a stone top bench and no one likes to put holes in stone tops, it's very risky, you can actually, it comes with this anyway, but otherwise you get yourself at what's called a 3-way tap. And they're just a normal tap with hot and cold, but the third is access to reverse osmosis. So Water Analytics have them, but also you can get them on eBay, you can get them online, you can get them around the place. 3-way tap is all you're looking for, and it solves your problems in that regard. So hope that's been helpful, folks.